Hello. Now, in this lecture, we will discuss the second method of the second part, means second elimination method. Before that, we have discussed about the substitution method. Now, the elimination method. It is very easy method and most popular method also we can say. So, in this method, means what we will do. Suppose two equation we have. This is one example I am taking. Two equation we have. So, I want to eliminate a single term complete. So suppose this is in negative minus 2y and this is plus 4y. If I will multiply this equation, means the two methods I am telling you, okay, but according to the question it depends. According to the question it will depend. In this, easily 3x plus 4y is equal to 10, and this I am multiplying by two complete equation, then it will be 4x minus 4y is equal to 4. Now the situation is coming, if we will add both the equations, minus 4y and plus 4y will be cancelled, then 4x plus 3x, 7x will get here 14. Now x is equal to 14 divided by 7. Now x is coming 2. X came 2. Now x value will place in any of the equation out of these two, and we will get the value of y, and then we will get the value of y. So what I will do, I will place the value of x in this equation. Now 2 into 2 minus 2y is equal to 2. This is 4. 4 will go that side. Then 2y is equal to 2 minus 4 minus 2. So y is coming minus 1. And this side is minus y. Sorry, minus y. Now minus is cancelled. Y is coming 1. Now this is the method. And suppose in any of the equation this situation is not coming, means it will multiply 4 and negative will come. So that situation also we can solve by, as we discuss one common example, 5x plus 7y is equal to 50 and 7x plus 5y is equal to 46. Discuss two times this example, but with the different method, with the graphical method also, substitution method also. Now with the help of elimination method also I am telling you this, how we will solve. Means every time you will not get the situation like this. Means if by multiplying 4, then coefficients came same, and then we will cancel and easily will get value. Little bit higher condition. Now you see in this, if we multiply this equation by any constant, then we will not get the complete as like this any term. So what I am doing, if suppose I want to make this coefficient equal, this coefficient of x I want to make equal, then you multiply the equation with the different opposite coefficient. Means this equation, first equation I will multiply by this 7, and this equation I will multiply by this 5. So complete equation I am going to multiply with this 7. So 7 5 is 35x plus 7 7 is 49 y is equal to, by 7, so 350. Now this equation by 5, 35x plus 25y is equal to, by 5 we are multiplying, then to 30. Now what I am doing, I am adding. Now if I will add, then no term will be eliminated. So what I will do at the place of addition, here we did addition, now here I am doing subtraction. Now 35 plus and 35 minus cancelled. Now from 49, 24 y, and here I think I have written wrong something. No. Now here 72 should come. So I multiplied by, wait. So we will subtract, and then from 350 minus 230, 120 will come. Now y divided by 120, y is equal to 120 divided by 24, then y value is coming 5. Now this is the elimination method. Now we got y value. Now after placing this y value in any of the equation, we will get the value of x. So I am using this first equation. First equation, value y 5x plus y value is 5, so it's 35 is equal to 50. 5x transfer 35, 50 minus 35. Now 5x is equal to 15. X is equal to 15 divided by 5. X is coming 3. So in this type of question, what we will do, we will make one term equal except constant, means variable term will make equal, and then we will eliminate them. Means here we eliminated this x, in this part we eliminated x complete, and in this part we eliminated y complete. So that's why this method we are calling elimination method. We are eliminating complete one variable, and this method is very popular method. This is another example, this is another one. One more example I'm going to discuss with you on this. So once you note down this. Now another question, it's little bit word type problem. So word problem first we'll convert in algebraic problem, and then afterwards we will solve. The question is this: if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, means question is giving two conditions. Finally question is asking what is the fraction, means one fraction, about one fraction question is asking. Let the fraction is x upon y. I am taking x upon y. Now question is saying, you concentrate on my words, that question is saying if we one add to the numerator, if we will add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduced to 1, this fraction become 1, the first condition. And for the second condition, question is saying, this is the question part, it becomes half, this fraction becomes half. Question is already there in your NCERT book, you can see. If this fraction becomes half when if we only add 1 to the denominator, if we add only 1 to the denominator. Now you see, now with the cross multiplication we will get the equation x plus 1 is equal to y minus 1. Finally the equation is x minus y I am transferring, and this 1 I am transferring that side, minus 2. X minus y is equal to equation first, and the another one, this part, 2x is equal to y plus 1. 2x minus y is equal to 1, equation 2. Before it was given word problem, what is the fraction, and the condition was if we will add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, the fraction reduced to 1, and if we will add only 1 to the denominator, then the fraction becomes 1 upon 2. Now two equations we have, we will solve. It's your choice. We are studying about the elimination method, then definitely we will solve by elimination only. X minus y is equal to minus 2. 2x minus y is equal to 1. Now no need to multiply any number, already they are coming, same coefficient is there. Now sign we will change, minus, plus and minus. Why we are changing sign? We are subtracting. Means if same sign we will use, then they will not be cancelled. So if we are changing sign of this y, then we have to change of sign of all the terms. Now cancelled. Minus 2x plus x, then minus x is equal to minus 3. X is coming 3. Now x is coming 3, and this x value we will place in any of the equation. I am taking this one. So x value 3 and this y I am transferring, minus 2 I am taking, then x3 minus y is equal to minus 2. From equation first, we have to write from equation first. Now y is equal to 5. Y is coming 5. Now this x and y is not answer. We assumed let the fraction is x upon y. So the fraction is 3 upon 5. So fraction is 3 upon 5. This is our required answer. You note down like this questions also. This is the word problem, and word problem first will convert in the algebraic, and then afterwards elimination we are applying here. Whenever in exam if it is mentioned in the question that use elimination method, use cross multiplication method or graphical method, that time you have to use particular that method only. Otherwise that choice of method will be yours.